Their sense of smell is at least 40 by better than ours. The area of cells in the brain that detect different smells is around 40 times larger in dogs than humans. This means that your dog can pick up on way more smell than we ever could. This is why dogs are often used to sniff out pupil, drugs, and even money. Some have such good noses they can sniff out medical problems. Yup, medical detecting dogs are a thing because their sense of smell is so great. Some dogs can be trained to sniff out medical condition. They are used to diagnose a particular condition or to alert their owners if they need more medication. Some are even being trained to sniff out COVID 19. One of these incredible dogs is medical detection dog Quail. Picture above was awarded the PDCA Order of Merit. Paul played a vital role in diabetic owner Claire's life by alerting he of change in her blood sugar. If not catch in time, these changes could have killed her. Read more about their incredible bound. Dogs can sniff at the same time as breathing. Dogs rely a lot on their sense of smell to find food, potential dangers, and friends. So, needless to say, they sniff a lot. Their noses are designed so smell can stay in their nose while air can move in and out of their lungs at the same time, which means they can breathe freely and still work out what that smell is. Some dogs are incredible swimmers. So not all dogs like water, but the ones that do tend to be pretty good swimmers. But again, not all are. So always keep an eye on your dog in case they decide to take a dip out and about. No Newfoundland are so good in the water that for years they have been used as water rescue dogs. In 2016, a brave Newfoundland cat which was awarded the PDSA Order of Merit for saving nine people from the sea over his career as a water rescue dog. Read more about these amazing rescues. Some are fast and could even beat a cheetah. Most dogs could easily outrun humans. They are bold to run and chase. The fastest breed of dog by fair dogs is the ground. Their speedy side hands can reach a top speed of 45 mph within seconds of starting to run. But how does this beat a cheetah? We hear you ask. Well, while a cheetah can get up to almost 70 mph, they can only keep this doing for around 30 seconds. Great Wrong, on the other hand, could easily run at speeds in excess of 35 mph for 7 miles to deceive the cheetah head start they soon overtake. Dogs don't sweat like we do. While dogs do sweat, don't expect them to be getting dumped arms anytime soon. Where humans sweat vital liquid to cool down, dogs products a premium laden oily substance that as humans can't detect. Dogs know it. They are because of their great sense of smell. The only place that dogs sweet like us in is on their paws. So indeed they pant to cool down. This is why it is so important to keep your dog cool on those warmer days to make it easier on them. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.